heads up friends, fourth quarter starts today, which means there are only 91 days left in this year, 85 until Christmas. Translation, it is time to get laser focused on slaying those fourth quarter goals one by one. I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and here's a few things that I'm eyeing to make sure and get done these last few months of 2021. First of all, we look forward to meeting at least 18 more Walton Home Team families to assist with their home goals in achieving either moving in before the holidays or having their next home under contract before the end of 2021. Next, intentional time is already blocked on my calendar for family time through the holidays, as that is time I do not want to slip away as parties and other activities with friends start to get added to the calendar. Next, any week now we'll be enjoying the celebration of our new grandchild, so that is definitely a time we want to savor. And lastly, I want to make sure I take time to gain clarity on my word for 2022, which is defining. Now, one more thing. If one of your goals is to knock out a home project, to remodel or update a room before the holidays, or maybe even buy or sell before the calendar flips to 2022, reach out today. Let's kick off fourth quarter the right way. Don't wait, time's ticking.